Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This week we're going to talk about the new Facebook Business Guide. Now, if you have a Facebook business page, you may have received an email that looks something like this. The email introduces Facebook's Business Guide, and we'll put a link in the description below. This guide is really a beginner's guide to maximizing your Facebook business page. If you already have a business page, then it's a good checkup and offers you some more tools on maximizing Facebook business pages. If you don't have a Facebook business page, it offers step-by-step instructions on how to use the tools and set up your business page. And if you scroll down, you'll see that what Facebook wants to provide tools for is building your online presence, creating a website, connecting with your customers, and growing your online sales. So if you follow the link and get started, it will take you to the online business page. So let's take a look at that. So here we are on the Facebook business page, and you can see if you have a business page, it welcomes you. And at this drop down, you can manage more than one page if you want to change to another business page. So let's take a look around. They have different stages. They get you set up on Facebook, set up a store, connect with your customers, and grow your sales. So under stage one, shows you how to get discovered on Facebook. So you can create your Facebook page, complete your business information, add a profile picture, and it will show you if these tasks have been completed or not. You can see we have those done. You can get at least 30 page followers, and you can add a call to action button. Now, any of these, if you click on the task, it will take you to another page and give you step-by-step instructions on how to, in this case, add a profile picture or a cover photo. Okay, let's go back, and you can scroll down. They have additional resources, some tips for your posts, establish online presence, build your presence with Facebook. So all kind of guides to help you grow your business through Facebook. But once again, you need to start with that Facebook business page and get that established. And they show you how to do that under Create a Facebook Page. And again, step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Okay, I hope that helps with giving a little insight into the new Facebook Online Business Guide. If you have any more questions, you can contact us through our contact page at btfoom.com. Thanks.